Hey guys, it's Bill and don't sound so enthused.
I'm tired.
She says she's tired. We're about to go rip. Let's hit it. Damn, what gear am I in? Third? This kid's crazy. Third? Look, we're going. We were doing 28. Now she's in third, she says. I shouldn't have asked. And yes, we're wearing shorts. Safety third. Going down to our local riding slash dog park, and
it says no motorcycle.
I'm sure it doesn't say that. I'm sure the Karens are going to love it as usual. Go right here. Go around the curb. There you go. Hey, you want to hang out for the camera? You got your fans want to see you. And watch for people, okay? Let's go down this trail. Come. Come on, man. Look, I'm the producer. You're the actor. You're the stunt person. Get it, girl! Pick your feet up! Why do you got your feet off the pegs? You're gonna fall off. She's got a brand new back tire that I just put on yesterday. Whoa, that was close, but she don't care. Say, man. Nuts, man. Yeehaw! Karma! Hey, man! Say goodbye to your fans. Say thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Say it. Oh, you love you. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're not already, please like, tag, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all.